Today I'm going to show you how to create a snapshot in one-point mail. A snapshot is used for very large lists, typically by very large senders of email. What it does is it allows you to take a list of names and break it up into randomized chunks. Typically we do this for the warm-up or ramp-up period of a new IP address or dedicated mail server. Makes it so that you don't need to extract your data in an Excel format, break it up manually into 9 or 10 different Excel files and re-import those such that you have smaller chunks to work with during that warm-up period. We do this by going to Lists, top left of our menu bar here. One of the sub-menu options then to appear will be Snapshots. It's right under Advanced, and I'll click Create. Once I've done this, I name my snapshot. I choose what list do I want to break up. Typically we have a 100 name minimum excuse me, for these lists. So I'll choose one that has, say, 10,000. You can do it randomized or not randomized. If you do randomized, just like it sounds, it'll randomly pick names for each snapshot sample. If you don't choose randomized, it's going to break it up into samples. Basically, if you think of an Excel sheet or rows of data, it's just going to take the top 10% of rows for each of the 10 sample sizes. So I'll go ahead and choose random. I'll add a couple additional samples. I'll go ahead and add 2 more here. And you can name each one individually if you'd like. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what percentage you want to go on each sample size. So I will do 25 for each one. You can see now that my numbers have updated themselves down here, and I will save it. This this snapshot is now ready to be used. So when you go to your campaign builder and click Create, and you're doing a mailing and you're targeting a list, you could then choose to target a snapshot instead of a list, and you're good to go.